Welcome back to our podcast, your go to guide for the world's most fascinating places, one sip at a time. And today, we're diving into the lush landscapes, rich coffee heritage, and tropical charm of Starbucks in Costa Rica. That's right, we're exploring how this global brand blends with local culture in the land of Pura Vida. Whether you're a coffee traveler, a digital nomad, or planning your first trip, this episode is your caffeinated passport to the best Starbucks locations, Costa Rican flavors, and travel tips. Let's brew this journey. So first, Costa Rica's coffee culture in Starbucks arrival. So Costa Rica's status as a major coffee exporter. Starbucks sourcing beans from Costa Rican farms. The opening of Starbucks Hacienda Alsacia in 2018, the first and only Starbucks owned a coffee farm in the world. Mission, sustainability, ethical sourcing, innovation. How Starbucks aligns with local values of sustainability and community. Starbucks Hacienda Alsacia Tour. Location, slope of the Fowas volcano. What to expect on the tour. Interactive visitor center, bean to cup experience, coffee tasting room and brewing demos. On site, Starbucks cafe with unique drinks only available there. Tips for visiting. Book in advance, dress for altitude, early morning is best for fewer crowds, and better light for photos. Instagram tip. The coffee plant rows with volcano views uh are ace, yeah. Best Starbucks location in Costa Rica. Multiplaza Iscazao in San Jose is trendy in upscale crowd. Avenida Iscazao is artsy digital nomad vibes as well. And La Sabana, perfect after a park walk. Plaza Lincoln in Moravida is local families modern design. Aeropuerto International Juan Santa Maria SJO. Start or end your journey with a familiar brew. Each locations buy popular drinks, Wi-Fi availability, secret menu tip, ask for Correador style brew were available. So those are the other locations in Costa Ricans for Starbucks. Unique drinks and local flavors. Costa Rica exclusive drinks is seasonal cold brews, tropical twists, local pastries like tres leches muffins or banana empanadas, seasonal offerings that nod to local flavors, guava, cinnamon, coconut. How Starbucks adapt its menu to Costa Rican palates. For souvenir, sustainability, and prices, exclusive Starbucks Costa Rica mugs and tumblers cost 18 to 28 USD. Reusable cups with rainforest or volcano design. Hacienda Alsacia coffee bags, ethical sources only available locally. Prices compared to the US, coffee 350 USD, props 5 USD, meals slightly cheaper. Uh, Travel tips and cultural etiquette. Costa Rican Starbucks staff are warm and speak both Spanish and English. Tipping not required but appreciated 5 to 10%. Digital nomad tip. Some locations are perfect for working, others have a 2-hour sitting policy. Use local phrases like gracias and pura vida, always welcome. Best time to visit dry season December to April, fewer crowds in early mornings or weekly afternoons. Trivia and fun facts. Hacienda Alsacia produces beans that go into Starbucks Reserve blends. Starbucks helped improve local farmer practices via its Farmer Support Center in Costa Rica. Costa Rica was one of the first Latin American countries where Starbucks implemented its ethical sourcing verification program. Starbucks Costa Rica was among the first to pilot paper straw use in Central America. So, whether you're stopping at a cozy cafe in San Jose or planning a pilgrimage to the legendary Hacienda Alsacia, Starbucks in Costa Rica offers more than a cup of coffee. It's a cultural experience brewed with heart. So, next time you're chasing waterfalls or exploring cloud forests, don't be surprised if you find yourself recharging at a Starbucks that feels both familiar and full of local flavor. That's the magic of Costa Rica. Pura vida in every pore. Thanks for sipping along. Until next time.